The 2026 Toyota Corolla is the newest iteration of the most sold car nameplate on Earth. And Toyota knows exactly what game they're playing. This car is built to be the new default answer to boring questions like, what should I spend my money on? What car should I buy if I don't want regret? What car should I buy that will never embarrass me? Every Corolla is designed to be reasonable, but 2026 is noticeably grown up. It has a little more sharpness, a little more delicacy, and subtly more theater in both the exterior surfacing and the cabin UX. Outside, the 2026 looks tighter, lower, and cleaner. The lines look like a car that cost more. The daytime running lights sharpen to an L shape. The mesh lower grille is more horizontal and wider. The sheet metal surfacing around the shoulder line and door. Skins is smoother than the 23-25 generation, more like expensive appliance, less like aggressive polygon. The rear lamp signature is also new. The graphic spreads wider, like they wanted to hint at Lexus. The wheels look like they come from a segment above. Even the base spec alloys on the hybrid models look intentionally machined. It is still a humble compact, but there is a baseline sophistication that Toyota didn't even pretend to do in the early. Twin Intends, this looks like a car designed by a team obsessed with making things frictionless and graceful. Inside is where people who haven't been in a Corolla for 5 years will react. The cabin looks like it got a price bump. The screens matter. The 2026 Corolla uses Toyota's new UX with a 12.3-inch display on higher trims, and even on the smaller display trims, the touch. Response and typography are substantially more premium feeling than the old in-tune era. Toyota finally started understanding animation timing, and this interior benefits from that. Material choices are calmer, fewer lines, less fake texture, more soft touch where the elbows really go. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are standard now. Wireless charging pad is larger and actually fits Pro Max phones flat. And Toyota safety. Sense is the newest generation, with lane trace assist that feels more natural when gently loading steering lock on long curves. Performance is where Corolla buyers don't expect fireworks. Yet 2026 is quietly improved. Toyota keeps it simple. A 2.0-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. Hybrid variants. A CVT that is now tuned to simulate stepped logic more convincingly. The numbers are modest, but the driving feel matters more. Steering weight is better around center. Low-speed throttle is less jerky. Noise floor is lower, especially at 70 mph. EPA numbers improve a tick. Maintenance costs stay low. Reliability is Toyota boring in the best possible way. In a world where everything is subscription and chaos, the 2026 Corolla is calm, rational, and very hard to argue against.